Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10, and today I'm going to show you how to reset this device or how to reset all settings on this device. So firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to general management, then go to the reset, select an option reset all settings and then confirm it. And after that all the settings on your device will be reset to its defaults. After a restart, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.